EcoFlow Blade Robotic. In comparison to standard lawn mowers, the EcoFlow Blade Robotic stands apart. This state-of-the-art technology can scan your lawn, identify obstructions, and plot the optimal path for mowing thanks to its combination of optical sensors, LIDAR, and GPS. With the additional yard sweeper kit, it can clean up your yard by sweeping away leaves, sticks, and other debris. To top it all off, the EcoFlow Blade Robotic doesn't require any kind of boundary or cable installation. The EcoFlow app makes it easy to establish and change mowing limits from your smartphone. Using the app, you can manage the mower's cutting height, check the battery life, and even trace its whereabouts. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic can climb slopes as steep as 27 degrees, has a large cutting width, and front wheels that can turn in any direction. For a limited time, you can have it for $2,649, or you can get it with the lawn sweeper kit for $3,199.